Hi, my name is Jefferson Liam Harliga, and today I will show you my second lab exam, which is referred to items number 1 and 2 in first laboratory exam. Create an application, either desktop or web application, that will display the results in the query on each item. Make sure that your app connects to the HR database. So this is what exactly we need to do. Number one, create an application that will show a report on the number of employees working in a specific region. You can present it in graphical form instead of plain text. And number two, create an application that will display the list of employees working in a specific region by allowing the users to select a region. Note that there are 4 region names stored in the HR database. Submit a short video of yourself presenting this application and your codes. So this is the video. So now let's see what my application is. So this is my home page, my front page. So this is the number 1. So the number of employees working in a specific region. So because it is referred to the first laboratory exam, so there are Europe and Americas. So region name, Europe, there are a total of 36 employees. Then Americas is equal to total of 71 employees. So let's go to the number 2, which is display the list of employees working in a specific region. Then 4 region names stored in the HR database. So let's go to the number 2. So this is the number 2, the regions. So as you can see, there are 4 regions. In here in Americas, we can see the list of all Americas employees. First name, then last name, then region name. Then let's go back. The Asia, we can see that there is no results because on the HR database working on the Asia. Then next is the Europe. We can see the employees of the Europe, first name, last name, and region name, total of 31 people. Next is the Middle East and Africa. So we can see that there is 0 results or no working in the Middle East and Africa. So that's it for my application. Now let's go to the code. So this is the code. So we can see here in my front page, we include the defined PHP because we need to connect the SQL database. Here is defined, the server name is localhost, username is root, there is no password, then the database name is HR. So let's connect it. There is a connect, so my SQLi connect syntax, then connect server, username, password, and the database name. So if we connect, then it will be connected. If it not, then it will die and will say connection failed. So that's it. So here, this is my front page. It includes the defined PHP to connect the SQL here in my front page. So this is my style. In here in the bottom is my codes. So this is the header, the number of employees, and this is the code in the SQL. So let's put the select region name, count employee ID from regions, inner join countries using region ID, then inner join locations using country ID, then inner join departments using location ID, inner join employees using department ID, then group by region ID. There's no syntax that says then, but I will say then because it is a long code. So it is inner join employees using department ID, group by region ID. So the result will be connected to the query or in the SQL. So if the result is greater is the number of rows is greater than 0, so it will echo the table with the border and its design, the region name, and the total employees here. While if the row is equal to the result to fetch association, so it will post it's done, it's true. Then let's put the table here, the region name and the count, the employee ID, and then we'll echo the table and its results. So let's go to the selection, the buttons. So here in number 2, we can, this is my design. Also, we connect it to the defined PHP. So you can see here in the buttons, we have the Americas, the Asias, in the Europe button. If we click those in my application, it will go to these PHPs or in my pages. So if we click number 1, we can go to number 1. If we click number 2, here in the front page, we can go to the number 2. If we click the button America, Asia, Europe, or Middle East, it will go to specific page. So example, if we click the Asia, then we'll go to the Asia. This is my code in Asia. This is my style. And then this is the header. So here in Asia, we put the code select first name, last name, region name. From regions, inner join countries using region ID. Then inner join locations using country ID. Inner join departments using location ID. Inner join employees using department ID. Where region name in select regions. Select region name from region where region name is equal to Asia. So that's it. Then the result will be connected to the query or in the SQL. So if the result is not equal to false and the result is the number rows is greater than 0, then it will echo the table and its design, the first name, last name, region name, as you can see those on the application. Then output the data of each row here, first name, last name, region name, then echo the table and design it. If it is no results, then it will go to 0 results. If it has, then it will put all the names and the region name. So if you click the back, you can go back to the choosing page. So next is it's all the same. The Americas in Europe are the same codes, but we use the select first name, last name, region name. From regions, inner join countries using region ID, inner join locations using country ID, inner join departments using location ID, inner join employees using department ID, where region name in select region name from regions where region name is equal to Americas. So in here in Americas and Europe is the same code in here, but it is equal to Europe when it's Europe, and Americas it's Americas. And Asia's code here, it's all the same. Just change the code here in the last part, which is the equal part. So it's all the same here in the echo and the show the table, because we just need to show in the we need to show the employees in exact specific places here in Europe, Americas, and uh, Middle East, and Africa, and Asia. So that's it. That's it for my code. I will send this code to you, sir. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.